So we're lucky it stopped raining. They say it might rain later tonight. Hopefully not, though. Hate getting wet. So Richard could be at that party. He's a really nice guy. Shiloh's party should be interesting. I think I'm gonna order sushi. I only say that because I know you hate sushi. You know, you need to relax, Summer. Alright, they're gonna have everything that you need inside. And if they run out, you can use my mug.
Mug? For what?
Summer, can you promise me one thing? Can you please promise me that you're not gonna stand there in the corner and be awkward all night? Please. You know what? I know exactly what you're thinking.
Oh yeah? You want to tell me what I'm thinking?
You're thinking that we're gonna force you to be high and make you do a bunch of stupid shit that we were gonna do anyway.
Well, you can shove it.
You're such a whore, Summer. And a weirdo. Come on.